Na soka tuangazie mchezo wa esports bwana pale michezo ya pale mitandaoni kutumia vile vibonyezi bwana. Haya, tuangazie mashindano ya Digital ambayo yatakuwa yanashika kasi kuanzia Novemba 23 mwaka huu katika eneo la Arena 5 pale katika shule ya Jamhuri hapa jijini Nairobi. Ni mashindano ambayo yatakuwa yanahusisha jumla ya timu 16, na basi hii ni safari ya kuelekea kule Kazakhstan mwaka 2026. Tusikize wadau wakiwemo wachezaji na hasa pia rais wa shirikisho la esports ambaye ni Roni Lusigi wanazungumziaje hasa mashindano haya na upigwaji jeki.
I think playing abroad is a different ball game compared to playing locally. So that's why we have to prepare very well, especially in training before we go and stuff, so we get prepared so well, so we can at least do better than Abu Dhabi.
So in Abu Dhabi, we managed to emerge out of the group stage, and we were knocked out by Brazil in the quarterfinals. It was a really great experience for us. Having been a new team, we were relatively new because we hadn't partaken in any previous tournaments together other than the Kenyan one, which we managed to emerge victorious. So with 82 sports coming on board, we are highly motivated because from the previous edition, the cash prize was relatively low. Now we are more motivated to defend our title, and we are ready to fight for the main prize, which is defending our title and going to Kazakhstan.
I think what needs to be done more is having more tournaments. Our president has been doing a great job organizing tournaments, both digital and physical. And I think it's only having tournaments, educating people, since we have experience now. Yeah.
Second edition in Kenya, and the last edition, the team that represented Kenya performed exemplary well. They were the best in Africa. And considering the motivation that we've added this year, the cash prizes, the winner will be taking home 70,000. So we expect the players to do very well in the continental, in the world stage that will be in Kazakhstan next year, and we expect them to reach the finals.
Digital entails playing the physical and digital aspects of football, where players compete on PlayStation, then on a 5 versus 5 football match, and the winner is determined by the aggregate scores. We are happy because this is an improvement from last time. This edition, players will be battling for a chance to get a ticket, for a fully facilitated ticket to Kazakhstan, where we shall be having the games of the future. The first edition, which we held in January, was successful, and our players who are with us here were able to get a ticket to Abu Dhabi, where they performed exemplary well. They were the best team from the continent, managing a quarterfinal finish against Brazil. So we really appreciate 82 Sports for this sponsorship. It is testament to the growth of esports in the country. It's also testament to the efforts of the entire team at Esports Kenya Federation.
Haya, tukiachana na mashindano hayo ya